everybody. So this video is going to be determining shapes based off their distance. So determining what type of shape they are based off the length of the sides of the shape. So let's first review our different specific rules for each of our types of shapes. So what distinguishes parallelograms from, dang it, stop. Parallelograms from other quadrilaterals? Opposite sides are parallel. So they have the same slope. Okay, so opposite sides are parallel, and that's pretty much it. Their length, what was I gonna say? Sorry, I had a brain fart. Their opposite sides are parallel, so they're the same slope and equal length. Sorry. So opposite sides are equal length and their slopes are parallel. And then rectangles, opposite sides are equal as well. Opposite sides are equal in length, and they have a perpendicular slope. Rhombuses are, they have all four sides are equal, like a square, and parallel slopes. Squares, all four sides are equal and perpendicular slopes. Triangles, so isosceles is two sides are equal in length. And then right triangle is just has one perpendicular slope. Okay, so it's a 90-degree. All right, so now let's do one of these. So we're going to prove this triangle ABC is isosceles. So we need to prove that there are two equal sides of length. So we don't know which one, so we have to find all three side lengths. So remember our distance formula with the Pythagorean theorem. That's what we're going to do. So I'm going to do AB first. AB. So AB is -1, -1, and then 1, 4. So -1 minus 1 is -2. And we have -1 minus 4 is -5. Again, remember the negatives don't matter because when we square them, they'll go away anyway. So we have -2 squared plus -5 squared equals some unknown length squared. So -2 squared is 4 plus -5 squared is 25 equals c squared. So that is 4 plus 25 is 29 equals c squared. Remember to find out what c equals, we have to reverse the square, which means we have to square root both sides. So let me get my calculator. We're going to square root 29, 5.4. I'm going to round it up. So c equals 5.4. So that's the length from A to B. All right, now let's do B to C. So 1 minus 3, okay, is -2. And 4 minus -1 is 5. Okay, oh, we can already tell that this is going to be the same length because remember the negatives don't matter. So we already know this is going to work out the same. So -2 squared plus 5 squared, again, it doesn't matter that that 5 is positive because it's going to end up being positive anyway, equals c squared. So -2 squared is 4 plus 5 squared is 25 equals c squared. 4 plus 5 is 29 equals c squared. And so when I square root it, c equals 5.4. But we still have to do AC because, hey, this might end up being an equilateral triangle. We need to know that it's isosceles. So I only can have two sides that are equal. So now let's do AC. So -1 minus 3 is -4. Oh, we can already tell it's going to be different. And -1 minus -1 equals 0. So if that is, I'm going to have -4 squared plus 0 squared equals c squared. -4 squared is 16 plus 0 squared is 0 equals c squared. 16 plus 0 is 16 equals c squared. So the square root of 16 is 4. So we have an isosceles triangle because two side lengths isosceles because AB equals 5.4 and BC equals 5.4, but AC equals 4. So two side lengths are equal. All right, and I'll see you guys in the next video where we prove shapes with their slopes. I'll see you guys. Bye.